For the test of homogeneity of a proportion, you do need to know the numbers. You can enter percentile into your calculator, because what we're doing is we are still running a chi-square test. Your calculator does not know whether you're talking about proportions or number of people. So go under edit and edit your matrix A, and this one needs to reflect the fact that I have 2 rows. That's a yes or a no. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 categories of the different types of income. So start entering those. As far as yes, 24 people said yes, 33 people said yes, 38 people said yes, and 49 people said yes. So you see it goes up. And as far as the no is 76, 67, 62, and 51. All right, I'm gonna quit this menu. Now, if you're gonna go back to your matrix, you see you have your A is 2 by 4. Your B is still the stuff that from previous problem. You can't actually get rid of this matrix. It just sort of lingers there. So it doesn't matter. When you run the test, since you altered your observed matrix A, the calculator will do the calculations and calculate your expected matrix in B. We'll take a look at it after we run the test. So I'm going to quit this menu, go into stats, go over to test, and you are running your chi-square test. Observed A, expected B, keep it at default, and calculate. It calculated the test statistic of a chi-square to be 14.15 as expected, and a p-value of 0.0027, which you can then compare to your alpha and draw your conclusions. The degree of freedom is 3. It's that 2 minus 1 on the rows and 4 minus 1 on the columns multiplied together. Now, if we take a look back at the matrix, it does now have a 2 by 4, which you can then look at under edit. And notice they are all integers because we are talking about 100. And notice nothing is below 5. And also notice they're all the same, because this is what the proportion is saying, that the proportion of people who said yes should be all the same throughout the 4 categories. So the expected matrix kind of relays that information. This is it for 11-2, and we'll continue in the next video with chapter 12.